Hey guys, it's John again. I I wanted to talk about those Ray-Ban glasses. Those are awesome. From 1997. I mean 1970. My grandfather, when he died, I actually took those. They're awesome. They're from Mexico. They're Ray-Bans, if I told you so. A pair of Ray-Bans. Yeah. And they're awesome. I wear them on and when my friends do like disco parties and everything and 70s and everything, so I wear those. I wear my baggy jeans and everything. It's awesome. Those are memories from my grandpa when he died. R.I.P. Okay, other things. I wanted to talk about my cat. My cat Sparky ran away. He ran away. I think he got a girlfriend or something. He ran away. So, he was a weird cat and everything. So when he coughed, he was like, I thought he was smoking or something. When he would meow, he would go like, I really thought he would smoke, but no. I would imagine stuff that nobody would imagine that. And I wanted to talk about the 5-0 match, Real Madrid and Barcelona. Real Madrid ate shit with a spoon. Okay? They ate shit with a spoon. They got owned by Barcelona. Barcelona showed great resistance, in my opinion. So I was like, oh shit, first goal. I was cheering for Real Madrid, and then I started cheering for Barcelona after 3 goals. So I was like, oh shit. Then second goal, crap. Third goal, fuck. Fourth goal, oh, you wouldn't believe it. That's so funny. Anyways, I gotta go. See you later, guys. Bye.